It was 12 o'clock in the morning, so we went to Kuya Chef Alvin's room to surprise him on his birthday. We also waited for him for almost 4 minutes because he was in the CR comfort room for a long time. Dahil nga ang tagal ni Kuya Alvin lumabas, kung ano-ano na ginawa namin dyan matanggal lang ang inip namin may inaantok na nga ihahaha. Akala nga namin dito sa part na ito ay tapos na siya, pero hindi pa pala ready na ihaha sisindihan na ulit sana ang kandila imuntik na ngang maubos ang kandila sa tagal ba naman lumabas naman ng tao na yan haha. Kita nyo naman kung ano-ano na pinagagagawa namin ni Ivan dito tingnan nyo naman ako sa isang gilid, parang ewan lang inaantok na kasi ako dyan kaya nag-aliw-aliw ako sumayaw na lang ng kung ano bahala na sa step
One eternity later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Nasa Candelaria pa.
Wala pa daw.
Happy birthday!
Birthday kuya.
Jeff, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ang tagal